Hello guys, welcome to Dhwani's Art. For a beginners, it's very hard to choose which material to use for sketching. In this video, I'm going to show you the tools which I use in my drawing. So let's get started. First of all, we'll see about pencils. Staedtler is a high quality drawing pencil and every great artist uses this. It's very smooth and blends well. These pencils are quite expensive but worth buying. I'll sketch each grade, that is HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 7B and 8B. Coming to outline. Outline is my second preference. Staedtler pencils are quite expensive. If you are a beginner and doesn't want to buy expensive pencils, go with outline. I just love the 10B grade of outline and it's really dark. As a beginner, I also used outline and it works great. I use Camlin charcoal pencils. It has 3 grades, that is soft, neutral and hard. You can use them in darker areas such as hairs, shadows, etc. Now let's see about blending tools. I use cotton bud, tissues and brushes for blending. You can use any soft brush such as makeup or watercolor brushes as per your preference. Now let's see where these tools are used. For smaller areas, use cotton bud. It really blends well in smaller areas such as surrounding eyes, nose and lips. You can use tissues to blend the larger areas such as skin, clothes, etc. Hairs doesn't require much blending, so brushes can be helpful for lighter blending. Tools for highlight. I absolutely love Tombow Mono Eraser. It is preferred for details like hair, fur, highlights, etc. Sakura's Jelly Roll pen is made of quality ink which lasts for long. You can use on darker areas where eraser doesn't work properly. Hope you guys learned something from this video. Do subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.